my privilege to present vote of thanks for the evening. We thank our dear parents for the unconditional love and support. You have guided us at every step. What we are today, we owe it to you. Thanks a million for always being there for us. We thank our dear teachers for their untiring efforts at guiding us in all aspects, be it academic, co-curricular, emotional or social. You taught us to read and to write and to sing and dance. You taught us what is right and what is wrong. Dear teachers, we will always indebted for all you have done for us. We are grateful to the management of Gordon and Just Daffodils Montessori. They gave us the wings on which we soar. Words are not enough to express our gratitude. We thank our dear grandparents for pampering us and showering us with love and affection. You are undoubtedly our pillars of strength. We thank all our support staff who keep the school clean for us and ensure our health and hygiene. Once again, I thank each one of you for gracing the event and making it cherishable.